Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Reva Hair Diva at Arrive Design. So today I'll be doing a get ready with me video as I go to see the Black Panther movie. Here you'll see me blending out my base, my primer. I use LA Girl Pro Concealer with the orange base as my base for my foundation. And now you'll see me using MAC eyeliner. No, it is not black, it is brown. It is in the color M02, MAC 1899. And I don't have any eyebrows, so I'm pretty much trying to make some eyebrows, but at the same time make them look really, really natural because I do not like the drawn on effect. It tends to look a bit clownish. So use your nose as a guideline. The inner part of your nose needs to be light, and as you go outward towards your cheekbone, it can get a bit darker and more defined. There you go. That's what I'm working with. And now I will begin the process of concealing around my eyes. Yeah, so I'm concealing with Ruby Kiss and Warm Honey underneath my eyebrows to correct any mistakes I may have made with the pencil. And I'm using the angle brush here in order to make very, very clean lines, both underneath my brow line and then above. So above is very optional. I like a very clean look above and beneath my eyebrow bone. So yeah, you want to make the line closest to your eyebrow really clean and then blend it out with the Beauty Blender. And I will show you this in a minute. So there you go. You might want to wet your Beauty Blender. It makes the application process a lot easier. So blend, 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 no hard lines. That's the goal. And underneath your eyes, be very careful. Your eyes are sensitive. So yeah, ladies, eyes, lips, and face palette and the Morphe palette is what I'll be using today. I'm starting out with the Morphe palette. It is palette 35F Fall into Frost. And I'm using the super light color as a base because I'm not into buying extra products as a base. I use what I have. I try to multitask my products. So that's what you see me doing here. And then the eyes, lips, and face palette, I will be using the hues of purple. So from light lavender to purple. Yeah, so moving on. The light purple palette is what I'm using out of my eyes, lips, and face palette. And I just love these colors. The palette, it has all types of colors from purples to browns to greens to blues to grays. So it's a great palette to use. It's a jumbo palette. I'll leave all the products that I use in the description box and a link on Amazon in order for you to order your own. So yeah, I'm going into my creases right now with the darker purple. On my lids, it's the lighter lavender. Now that I've finished my shadow, I will go ahead and line out my lids. And then my eyes are all done and I'll start to apply my foundation. Yes, yes. So I use the Fit Me foundations in color 355 Coconut. And the Fit Me is by Maybelline. And once I do that, I'll take my Kabuki blender and push and press into my skin to make it look natural. And just blend out everything. Being careful around my eyes as not to mess up all that hard work with putting on that eyeshadow. No, this is not an everyday look. This is a special occasion look. And make sure you get around your hairline and your jawline in order to blend everything out and make it look like a natural, flawless, beautiful makeup face. And then I take another blender, blend it. So here I'm using my True Complexion Contour Palette to go ahead and contour my jawline and then apply some highlighter. And I don't think I'm gonna do my nose today because I really don't have time. It's almost time to go. But yeah. And I'll apply the highlighter just in my cheekbones. You kind of smile and go with your natural cheekbone. So yeah, I love, love, love this NYX XXL mascara. So I'm gonna take my time and apply 2 coats. I usually do this right after I apply my foundation. I usually let the first application set. Look at the difference in those eyes. I mean, look at the left side and the right side. Oh, wake up, lady, wake up. Yes. So I'm going to apply one coat, let that dry, top and bottom, because I usually don't wear falsies. I don't wear false eyelashes much. So I do one application on all my lashes. Just make sure you get good coverage on the first application. And then, yeah, girl, give it to me, life. And then I'll go ahead and do my lips or something like that, or do the contouring. And then I'll go back in and I'll do a second coat of mascara. So here you see me beginning to do my lips. I'm going to line them today with the same pencil that I used as my eyebrows. I only usually line my upper lip and then the outside of my bottom lip because I got big, beautiful lips, ladies. Yes. So Beauty Gems is the lip gloss that I'm using today. You can find it at Ulta. So I've completed my makeup for today, and now it's time to get into the head wrap. So I'm just giving a demonstration on how I did this head wrap. If you are interested in an actual tutorial, please be sure to check out my other videos on my page. I go into more detail about how to do various styles of head wraps. But here we're going to be doing, it's a kind of simple head wrap. What you want to do is tie it in the front, just like you would begin your shoelaces. Just take two ends, roll it under the other, and pull. And then what you want to do, you're going to have two sides of material on each side. You're going to take one and you're going to flip it back, and then you're going to twist and tuck. That's what I'm doing here. Twist and tuck. And then you just want to form. So it's best to use a hard, stiff material. I have Ankara material here. And the other piece that you're left with, you just pull it on over to the opposite side and then mold and tuck. Mold and tuck. But if you're using flimsy material, this will not work for you because you need a material that's going to be able to stand up on its own. So I'm just tucking and rolling, one behind the other. And there you go. It's pretty simple. It's only one tie in the front and then twist the excess material and tuck it in the back. And that's my final look on the right side of your screen. Shout out to all the Africans that were in the movie Black Panther. Yeah. I love my African roots. So this is why I chose this attire for today. And notice my shirt too, like Black History Month. That's every single day. Live your Black history every day. So yeah, this is my head wrap. Make sure you check out my other videos on my head wraps. I'll show you how I styled it. Yeah, so here I'm showing you how I styled it for today. My choice of jewelry is my Chanel necklace, some chandelier earrings, a big silver bangle, some other Coach bangles, and my Chanel glasses. And I'll show you my final look. There you go. Bam. Yep, Black Panther inspired. And if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe and push the notification button. Leave your comments down below if there's something you want to see. And thanks for watching. God bless you. Have a good day.